Welcome to today's lesson on the 5 essential tools in Photoshop. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up on your skills, these tools are the foundation for any project you create in Photoshop. Let's dive in. The first tool we will explore is the Move tool. This tool is indispensable for repositioning elements on your canvas. Simply select it from the toolbar, click on any object or layer, and drag it to where you need it. It's as simple as that, but incredibly powerful. Next up is the Marquee tool, which allows you to make quick selections. You can choose between rectangular or elliptical shapes, depending on your needs. Once selected, you can cut, copy, or edit just the area you've highlighted, giving you precise control over your work. The laser tool is perfect for more detailed selection. It allows you to draw freehand around an area, giving you flexibility to select irregular shapes. Whether you are working on a complex image or just need a specific part, the laser tool has you covered. Finally, we have the Clone Stab tool. This tool is a lifesaver for retouching images. It allows you to sample a part of your image and clone it into another area. This is especially useful for removing blemishes, duplicating patterns, or seamlessly blending elements. One of the most creative tools in Photoshop is the Brush tool. This tool lets you paint directly on your canvas, with an endless array of brush styles and colors to choose from. Whether you are adding fine details or block strokes, the Brush tool is your go-to for artistic expression. These 5 tools, the Move tool, Marquee tool, Laser tool, Brush tool, and Clone Stab tool, are essential for any Photoshop user. Mastering this will give you the foundation you need to tackle any project. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice what you've learned today.